Okay, we're gonna do the next video here. I'm going to demold some of the silicone molds that I made. I'm nervous for this one. This is going to be the cauldron. Actually, no, I lied. This looks like it's the cauldron. This one looks like it's the witch's hat. But anyway, I'm a little nervous for that one just because of how intricate the feet are. So let's get down to business. So we'll start with the easy ones, which is the skeleton. Let's see, I'm just going to cut it out because that's going to be easiest. Hulk out here. Ah! It's coming out. All right, came out. So there's some silicone got underneath it. But we'll try and pulling it apart a little bit. And taking this guy out. All right, here we go, pulling him out. It's, as you can kind of see, it's sticking a little bit. All right, but he came out. And then the mold, yeah, it looks like it got the detail. Yeah, it looks really well. Gonna have to clean the edges of the mold. But yeah, it looks good. All right, first one is successful. Put that over here. Let's try the second one and see how that one goes. Tight. I just feel like it's just gonna pop out. Oh, sorry for the camera shake there. Waffles was jumping up on the kitty thing. So it looks like it's stuck. So we glued it. Oh, there it goes. Similar, some of just where the glue was at, the mold is fine. So I'm gonna try to take the bead out, or I can't remember, a pendant, whatever this is called. All right, clean mold. Looks pretty good. Same as the other one. Need to, just kind of pushing that, because it looked like there's a wet drop. But it looks like that's his eye socket. So, all right. Let's put it to the side. Let us do the hat first, because I'm thinking that one's going to be fine. So, or, you know, better than the other one. So let's cut that out. That one's a lot better, just ripping it around the edges. All right, taking the bottom off. Whoop, there's the hat. All right, so now it's like, what do I do exactly? I have a feeling that we're just gonna have to cut it out right here, because I don't know how else we're gonna get the hat out. But I guess I can see the glue. So here we are, we're just gonna kind of push it away from the hat. Dun, da, 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 dun, da, da, da. Da, 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 da. All right, the hat came out. So this is, you know, the hat, just the point part of the hat, which is fine, because if you do the resin, you're only going to see the top part. You're not going to see like the hole, so it doesn't necessarily need the hole. So we're going to have to cast it in resin and see exactly how it looks, but it looks like a cone. So, yay. All right, now the moment of truth. The cauldron. These are not nearly as oily as my other mold that I did the first time. So that's nice. I don't know if it's because I let it sit in its container a lot longer or what, but. All right, it's kind of stuck. We glued it on pretty well. All right. So here we go. You see there's the 3 little peg feet. It's like if I take it out, then we're going to lose that detail. So I'm not sure. It's like almost like you want to cut it here. So then you have 2 separate molds and you kind of put them together. But that kind of loses its whole appeal. So unfortunately, I'm going to have to rip it. Probably in the center here. So I'm just going to pull it apart. All right. We have the 3 individual holes where the feet went. So that's, you know, cool. I wonder if I have an X-Acto knife. I mean, I obviously have an X-Acto knife, but whether or not I know where it's at in such short notice, that is the question. Let's see. Wow. Here we go. And so I'm just gonna cut the silicone. Take this piece out, the center piece, so that we can hopefully take the cauldron out without ripping as much as we have to. So there's that. There's this. All right. Now, this actually has the center piece, so it's going to kind of want to not come out, but we'll see. Come, my precious! Yay! It's coming out! I feel like I'm giving birth to it. All right. It's cleanly out. The mold looks decent from what I can tell. Like you can see inside there is a circular piece for the part. So now it comes down to cleaning up the molds and trying them with resin. Let's see how that goes.